What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to ShowYouHow, and guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your PS4 games in 2019. Okay, so for this method, it's really quick and easy, but what you need to do is just make sure that you're online. So make sure you're connected to the internet, and what you must do is go onto your settings right here, and then you want to go to account management. And now you want to make sure that your account is activated as your primary PS4, because this could be the problem with your PS4. If you don't have it activated, that means it will lock the game because it doesn't actually know that you have a license for it. But just make sure you already have that activated. And if this doesn't work, what you're going to want to do is do this right here. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is go to restore license. And what you must do, I'm not going to do it right now because I've already did it, but what you need to do is restore your license. So basically, once you restore the license onto your PS4, then your game should be unlocked. Other thing that you could do is go to your network, okay? And you can go to setup internet connection. And I'm using LAN cable, but I'll just use Wi-Fi for right now. So go to use Wi-Fi. And you want to pick custom for this one. You want to pick custom. If you don't pick custom, then your game will not be unlocked at all. Alright, so now I'm going to select my my internet connection name. So go to this, and you just want to wait till it loads up. Alright, so now it's loaded up, and you just want to pick automatic for this IP address settings. You want to go to do not specify for the DHCP host name. And for this, you want to make sure you pick manual. If you don't pick manual, then it will be no way that you could unlock the game on your PS4. So click manual. And you want to make sure that you have your primary DNS set to 8.8.8.8. So basically 4 8s. And you want to make sure you have it the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. And now once you have that, you want to go to the next. And then you can do automatic for the MTU settings, and do not use proxy server because you do not need that in this tutorial. And you want to go to test your internet connection and just make sure everything works right after you set up the DNS settings for it. And if everything loads up correctly, then you should be good. That's basically how you fix the PS4 games locked on your PS4. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't a long video. One of those 3 methods should have worked for you. But if it didn't, make sure you just go back through the video again and make sure you follow all these steps correctly in order to get your games working correctly again. We'll be back to show you how.
They told me it was never gonna end. I'm at that top, never descend. Calling my name is going. Know that my freestyles be flowing. Look at the girl, she be frontin'. Won't come back till I throw some hundreds. Throw the racks and I tell her it's